Very quick video here. I'm running late. Got the chicken biscuits. Got an early day. Got to meet I got to meet the Mama Waterfall people here in about 30 minutes. So I'm hurrying up and eat here. I'm going to do the Waterfall excursion. Should be the highlight. I'm using my GoPro, a little bit nervous about that, but that's it. Got a beautiful sea day, but I am rushed for time, so I will let y'all go, and we'll see you here hopefully with a great video of the waterfall.
After waterfalls, we have a Dominican food. Have you eaten Dominican food?
No.
You will. After waterfalls.
Yeah.
It's like a fried chicken, beans, rice, eggplant, fried plantain. You know? It's like a buffet. I have a question. Do you drink alcohol?
Yes.
I'm gonna provide you for all of you alcoholic beverage.
Yay.
You have a beer right now?
No, it's Brugar. I got the glass bottle here. Wait a second. You like it?
Yeah.
Still on the walk to the waterfalls. I do not remember the walk being this far the first time, but maybe I was just in better shape 5 years ago. It does kind of remind you of a hiking trail back home, but it's really straight uphill. Yeah, should be back at the end, hopefully. It appears like I may not be in the shape that I thought I was in. It wasn't all that long, but it was really steep and uphill.
Whose idea was this?
Leave me alone, we're taking a picture.
That was kind of difficult.
Everyone, don't forget Smile.
But I think we're almost here, folks.
A nice
Fun part.
Dominican style.
With the mountain.
Yeah.
Please.
1, 2, and 3. One more. 1, 2, and.
We are here at the big jump waterfall.
Okay, it should be fun. You could have went down that side, but you're not allowed.
I do remember this one last time.
Because Iguana Mama had to go on this side.
I think this is like
It's going to be really good.
I'm so nervous, Nick, baby. There's Nick down there. They already made it. Look at that.
I am worried about my camera. I don't want to lose it, obviously. I'd hate to spend all this money and lose on the first jump.
Oh, you got to go up the stairs and go around there.
Only one step. Only one. Not the front. Go. That was awesome.
There's like that much water under the stairs. That was cute. I'm trying to get a video. Yeah, baby! Good job, you got it.
Still got my camera.
Good job, you did it. I got a little cramp, but you know. Stacy coming down? Your friend went down.
Oh man, that was awesome.
It does kind of take your breath away when you first land.
Sorry. Go to the right side, please. Watch out for rocks. Hey, ¿qué fue ya? Me avisa.
Do I lean backwards
Yeah.
or forward?
Forward, forward. Forward.
Feet, the other one was 12 feet. You do have an option to slide with that. This is the big one. Oh, jumping?
Oh, the slide's not bad, but
It's just 20 feet.
Yeah, I never saw it. Brad! Brad! Be ready! Slide! I'm jumping.
You gotta jump.
Anybody jumping? Cousin's jumping. I'm really not. You'd rather die? Can't be dying, man. It's not that bad, actually. It's actually not that bad. Are you jumping? No, I'm sliding. There's a lot of places you can jump. So that's how I... They're jumping. I'm sliding.
How'd you know? Look at that boy out here. We're outside with it. My boy is Gucci.
There's the slide part. This is the last seven, the last one. One downside of not giving the extra 5. Contact still intact.
Very good.
Great, yeah.
Lean back.
To hit him, he pushed me before you could get out of the way. I'll do my best. All right, just got done walking. Just got done with the excursion. Awesome excursion, amazing. 10 out of 10. You know, jumping off the water. I mean, when you're in the Caribbean and jumping off the water slide or jumping off waterfalls and sliding through them and swimming, it's just amazing. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. The GoPro, obviously I've not seen the footage, but should be good footage, even if it's not, so now I kind of have a good memory of that, so, it was awesome.
I had the VIP.
Can't wait, just wish I had, some more people like Kelly with me, some more family members, but
They took us down.
was awesome.
No.
Can't wait, I'll do her again.
They didn't take us up that way.
Yes.
So once you get done off the, through the end of the pier, that's the, first thing you'll walk through. And you got your shops to the left over here. That's where you'll go to make your excursions. But if you just want to do the free pool, you'll make a right. And it's not a long drive. Friendly people here. I've not had any problems with anything. Feel safe. Be myself. So no issues there. So you got one of the good photo ops for this side. Got grass. Good kind of brick, cobblestone type roads.
So Abby, more like
You got a restaurant here. Here are some cabanas to rent. I'm sure those, I think I've heard those over $1,000. So we all can do that. They do have a zip line, it is extra. This is the pool. You're always going to be crowded when you get free pool. This pool's too. It is big, so even though it's going to be really crowded, you can space out. So that's area. Headed back out to the pool area. I came back, walked around the pool for a little bit. Now I was hungry, so I wanted to grab a bite to eat. And now I'm headed back on. Tried to do the water slide with the GoPro. Couldn't really get a straight answer if it's allowed or not. One benefit of having the big ship like this is I was on 9. I was wanting to grab something to eat, but I really didn't feel like getting an elevator or certainly walking all the way back up to 16. So it hit me. I was like, well, there's pizza here on 8. So I just grabbed 2 slices of pizza. And that was, I was on 9, they're on 8. So that worked out. So just, one benefit of having, some options to eat in these mid decks is that you don't have to walk all the way to the back. Here's the ship again. This time, according to the GoPro. The Norwegian Encore is pretty good size too, though. I think we've got about 2 hours, I think. Gotta get back by 3:30, so we've got a good 2.5 hours. Pretty good mass exodus of people getting back on. There is, like I said, you see there's 2 ships, the Encore and this. They got the little buggy for rent. Woo, water is cold. Unfortunately, I could not get on the water slide with the GoPro, which is goofy, considering I just did a jump off a 20-foot water slide. I mean a 20-foot waterfall. And then I can't get on the kids' water slide. Might come back and get some more food from the GoPro. At least get this. you know, if you're into the bar drinking and stuff, they were letting the liquor flow on the way back, so you know that was cool. Which, you know, of course, that's right around tip time, but still. Pretty neat, the Norwegian gate, I believe it is. Norwegian Uncle is right beside us, and they're appear to be about the same size of the ship, so you can easily tell. You can easily, you know, kind of get a good view of them. Hey there. Just got back from the port. I tried to go down to the water slide with my GoPro, but they wouldn't let me, so that was kind of lame. So that's kind of a waste of like 30 minutes. But now I'm going to, what am I doing? I'm about to go get something to eat. I ain't really had much with those excursions. You don't get a whole lot of food on those days. I'm about to go grab something to eat.
Next, please.
Video of the burger, guy's burger with man, I don't know what that is, but these are the fries. They do appear to be the what I call the more frozen steak fries. They did add a little bit of seasoning to them, which you can kind of see there. But yeah, they are not the new fries. They are not the old good Cajun fries. Another thing is the buns seem to be more square. So, you know, the bun, as you see, is a little more square. I think I'm going to go get some chili and put it on. This is the first guy's burger of the trip. I also went and got some chili. Fries are salty, but yeah, the first guy's burger of the trip. Oh, a little bit of a preview for what's ahead for day 3 here. Got another major night. My girl Regie, who I really hadn't had time to watch her a lot. She's got several different sets where she goes from like 5 to 7 and then from like 9 to 11. So I kind of like that. It gives you a little bit early and a little bit late. But the big thing tonight is the Family Feud. They got the 3 different showings. And they also have the, and I'll bring it over here and look at it. We'll have to do that in a bit, but they have the Circus show doing that. It's supposed to be the signature show. We'll get into that just a little bit in a separate video. They also, one interesting thing here, and see if we, I don't know if you can see it, but at 11 o'clock they have what they call adult game night. And I don't know if this is the Quest. You know, I haven't heard that the Quest is going to be on here, but kind of sounds like it could be, so we'll have to check that out. But it's another night where it's too much. Well, I can't complain about too much going on because that's why I love it. But you have to make decisions, and you're not really used to that. You're used to, one major thing, and that's about it. But they have the Circus show is supposed to be the signature show, and it's going on at the same time as Family Feud, which I'm sure is on purpose to kind of split the crowd. But you, of course, you do have 3 different times to see the Family Feud, and then But yeah, then they got the 11 o'clock. They got the adult game night, and then 11:30 is the late family feud. So it's gonna be a big night. Gonna try to eat dinner early. That way, can get done in time to catch the. Hopefully, probably won't have time to catch the 7:30. Well, I'd like to catch the 7:30 Circus show. That would be ideal. So I'm going to try to do that. But as you see here, they got the circus show going on. They got some decorations for that. We're going to go down here and see if they got it roped off. I think they probably do, because the first few sailings, people were camping out here to start with to get the good seats. So I think we're going to try to. Looks like they may be trying to cut down on that. Because on the show it does say doors open, so I'm gonna go over there and see if anybody can see the seat or not, which would be good if they do that way. Everybody has a free shot at her. Yeah, this is a good thing here. They got it roped off. I saw it yesterday too, so you can't get down and not reserve your seat. It doesn't look like. It looks like you can go to here if you wanted to, but you're not going to be able to serve super duper good seats, so it should give a little bit more of an even playing crowd. It doesn't look like people lined up yet for it.
Lots of entertainment happening around the ship. Right now we got karaoke in the Punchliner Comedy Club. We got the Showdown. You've seen it all around the ship before. It's an amazing game show hosted by your fun squad. We have Prime Time Friends Trivia tonight. Where's all my Friends fans at? Around? A few people around? Yes. So make sure you go check that out. Lots of entertainment happening around the ship. You got Eden Parker in the piano bar. Once again, I truly do apologize. But due to reasons out of our control, the second show is canceled. I really am sorry.
I guess we got to see it tomorrow now. We need your son just said here. I'm sorry. Your family just said here.
They just canceled the second showing of the circus. There's going to be some upset people.
I'm I'm lost, but I'm hopeful. Baby, all it comes down to instead, it's gonna be quite alright. Still get one in my pocket, and you know it's in now.
See, she has her regular.
I'm feeling
I knew it was a matter of time.
I wonder if that's what I wonder if you checked me in, but not you.
Oh, of course. Check in, one get. No. Well, I check me in too then.
After I get done recording on it.
Thank you so much. Give me something more set. Oh yes, welcome back. Good to see you again. So you still can't coffee, just like I can. I can't hear everything. You know I wish I could. I'm so high up your moon. I'm so tired of the lyrics. We're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got a lot to give. And we're young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, and broke high school kids.
I don't just sit and listen to music on ships because they don't play my kind of music. But
I usually do every
but something about this area is just peaceful. And I'm trying to teach myself to always not have to be like slowing down a little bit. I got to take a video and a picture of the my beignets because they were that good. We'll have to catch them next time.
After Dark 18 plus. Oh my gosh. I haven't even proofread this, but it's okay.
No, you go.
We have
you know
not...
these. Listen, Trevor, I know you, so I know that you know all of these words. Like.
Oh no, for sure. Oh yes, I know all this.
Penis.
But I know that.
Pubic hair.
But I know that these questions are gonna.
Vaginas. Sex.
Yes.
You know all about sex, so you don't worry if you didn't pre-read, because this is part of your vocabulary. Yeah.
All right.
It's not part of mine.
It is
So
part of mine.
take it away.
You know me well. Y'all ready for a good time? Say, oh yeah. Y'all ready to get spicy? Say, oh yes. Let me say, oh. Period. All right. You ready for question number 1? Yeah. Where's all my dirty people at? Let me hear say, meow. Where's all my dirty men? Let me say, oh well, just a few.
Let's go. Number 1.
Number 1, according to a recent study, what percentage of people like dirty talk during sex? 32%, 58%, or 74%?
Oh, this guy here? He raised his hand and then scratched his ear.
Number 3, 10%, 20%, or 30%. What percentage of men claim to shave their pubic hair regularly? 10%.
Wow.
Raise your hand if you shave your pubic hair. Raise your hands. Period, because, yes.
Wow.
All right. Number 4, according to the National Opinion Research Center, the average American couple reports having sex how many times a year? The answer is 66.
So that means if you said 56 or 76, between that, then you're going to get it right. So how many of you are within that bracket? It says that, right?
Yes, exactly.
So who was between 56 and 66? Did anyone say that?
Yes.
Okay, a few of you give yourselves a point. Did anyone say between? Is that what it says?
Yes.
Well, so within 10 for the point. Within
Yes.
10? Or who said between 66 and 76? No one. Okay. So those people that put your hand up before, put your hand. Okay, give yourselves the points.
All right. Number 5. What television presenter came to national attention when he became a record holder for the longest erect penis ever recorded at 13.5 inches?
Muhammad Ali, we said down here.
Jonah Falcon.
Did you get it right?
You are a sex expert, honey.
Girl, you know everything. Wow.
Jonah Falcon.
God.
Alright, we're going to do a recap some of the highlights and lowlights of day 3, I believe it was. The biggest highlight was the excursion. The Amber Cove Waterfall excursion was awesome. You know, you get seven water slides. Got 7 water slides. 2 of them you jump off of. It's 12 foot and 20 feet. Where those other 5 you slide down, and you know, being able to swim through a waterfall, and it's just, you know, really an awesome experience. I was able to catch 2 of the Family Feud shows. The mid show was good. You know, it was hosted by, I don't know her name, tall, skinny little girl from UK, from the UK. You know, that was good. Got to hear Regie sing a few songs, a couple. I think it's about a set and a half. I think. So you know, that was awesome. And then the food. You know, I didn't really think the food menu was going to be that great, but it ended up being a good solid night in the main dining room. So those were the highlights. The low lights were the circus probably deserved its own category. You know, it's the signature show, and it was packed. Did get a seat. Could not see the acrobatic part, but I had to watch TVs for it. But then it was just kind of odd. They ended up canceling the second showing. You know, and I mean, I would assume it would be sickness related, because there's not been any weather related stuff because the ship's not moved. So I would think it had to be some form of that. And then they had something called the Adult Game Night, and I got kind of excited thinking it was the Quest, but it was not the Quest. It was basically the trivia, but with like adult type stuff, and it was really lame. And they did it like 30 minutes before. They did it right up until the last Adult Family Feud. So, you know, I watched about 10 minutes of it and left, and I ain't got a seat for that. But the late Family Feud I thought was also a miss. I mean, it was the guy hosting it just thought he was annoying. And he was the one that did the audition, so there was the language barrier, and I don't know, it was a mess. I actually, you know, walked out, but ended up coming back in a few minutes. But I just didn't, you know, that was a miss there. But that was some of the, and on to the circus thing too. The next night they ended up having it on the schedule and have it all set up, and at the last minute they changed it to some version of the show. I don't really know what was going on there, but there's some confusion going on, and I assume at this point now they would not show it again. So I really don't know what the show was called, something else, but it was a version of the circus show. I don't know if it was without the acrobatic parts or what. I didn't get to catch that one.
So, all right, that's it.
Back in the port area of Amber Cove now. Good view.